Side wire number 12 and #14 Aruban florins. Push wire #14 Aruban florins. Tri-drive ground, terminal, and mounting screws. Easy access green hex head ground screw. Productivity. Reliability. Safety. They're the key components of every Pass Seymour electrical wiring device innovation. And these innovations can be found in countless commercial, residential and industrial electrical wiring installations. From electrical switches and receptacles, to GFCI outlets and USB chargers, Pass Seymour electrical wiring devices, connectors and outlets are designed to work for you. 660BKG SWSPAC 15A 120 volts grhd terminal BK. Side wire number 12 and #14 Aruban florins. Push wire #14 Aruban florins. Tri-drive ground, terminal, and mounting screws. Easy access green hex head ground screw. Top reviews from the United States. Easy installation. Easy to install and looks good with the black gold plate cover I purchased from Amazon.